You told me I could trust you.
Turn it up loud.
You told me I could trust you. Don't die. I could really use it. So trust me, I could trust you. And I could really use it. And I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out, but somehow it always falls through. And I know that I get rough. I just wanna feel love sometimes.
Wet everything.
I can trust you. Don't lie. I can really use it. I can use your life. And I can really use it.
Just when I thought I broke away and I'm feeling happy, you try to trap me, say you're pregnant, and guess who's the daddy? Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case, what could I do? So now I'm back to making promises to you, trying to keep it true. What if I'm wrong? A trick to keep me holding on, trying to be strong in the process, keep it going. About to lose my composure, I'm getting close to packing up and leaving notes and getting ghosts. Tell me who knows a peaceful place where I can go to clear my head. I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying leave, or what a tangle where we weave when we conspire to deceive. And now you're getting calls at the house, guess you're cheating. That's all I need to hear, cause I'm leaving. I'm out the door, never no more when you see me. This is the end, cause now I know you've been cheating. I'm a sucker for love.
Don't lie. I can really use it. I can use your life. With fame, everybody know my name when I come through. But don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the female with you.
This consistency is like a, y'all remember like the St. Ives scrub? Like, it's kind of like thicker, like, than this consistency. I don't want to say it's thicker than St. Ives. It's like around the same consistency, but like, this is like thick, like it definitely foams really good. I really like it. But this I would use like on, you know, the person who washed their hair like 1 or 3 days, you know, every 3 days, every 4 days. Or the girls like us who maybe want a co-wash, like you can use this probably with the co-wash. This is for sensitive or oily scalp, so they're both good. Like, I just feel like this would be for the time where like, okay, I just did a slick back and maybe I need to cleanse, and this would be for like, okay, you know, I've had my twist out for, you know, 2 weeks. It's time to just wash my hair. But I will get to that time eventually. Right now, we're just not there yet. I just want to say thank you, shout out to Tease, for showing me these great products. I am so super excited. This is the first of many collaborations with future, you know, brands, and I'm just so excited for you guys to be the first, for you guys to trust and below me, for me to see like, okay, I can do this, because clearly brands believe in me that they're sending me stuff. So why aren't you believing in yourself? Alright, on that note, don't forget Lux at checkout for $15 off your first swap. The tea shop. So we got this. Take it one day at a time. And peace and blessings until the next video. So, and we out. Not the, whoa, I'm dead. Okay, I gotta go. I thought that everything was like on the right path 2 years ago, but clearly that wasn't the case. So basically, this support system is just gonna get bigger, it's gonna get doper, it's gonna just grow and glow. And I'm so excited to see what's to come, because with me being gone for 2 years, I've seen so much growth in other people. And I've just seen like even like love and support on my channel that I wish I would have seen sooner. And I'm just like, wow, like who knows where this is gonna take me, but guess what? It's gonna take me far. I already know it. So
wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out. That's how it always falls through. And I know that I get rough, but I just wanna feel love sometimes.
I attempted to record a little get ready with me, kind of breaking down everything that happened within the 2 years, but I really felt like it kind of got so I'm gonna try to do that now. I went to cosmetology school. I'm a second year girl, okay? So I graduated June 1st, and I have so much content and so much footage from school. I have so many ideas that I just written down over the years, over the months, over the days, weeks, minutes. So I be, thinking of stuff for you guys. I just feel like, me, I'm a perfectionist. So I couldn't post anything until I was actually, had everything. I didn't have a computer. My computer literally broke. So I'm like, let me really just, take a moment, take a little step back, do the things I need to do, and if this is truly something that I want to do, and if this is truly something that's meant for me, I'll get the chance to do it. I'm gonna actually make a video of my experience at my school, things to know about beauty school. If y'all interested, if you have any questions, comment below what y'all, what questions y'all need answered, and I'll probably even think about doing a Q&A in the next video. I'm including you guys in it because I don't just want to be posting videos that I feel like I like, but I also want to post videos that you guys like. So let me know any suggestions on videos that you do want to see from me. I'm not trying to ramble because I know I ramble a lot. With me going to school, I learned so much. I learned so much information about hair, about beauty, about the skin, so I'm definitely going to be using that information that I got in cosmetology school to bring just bring you guys great information, hair education. I really want to engage with you guys. I really want this to be a safe space for me and you. I want us to be able to come back and forth and vibe and just be like, okay, yay, how do you feel about this? And I'm like, well, baby girl, I don't know if you're a baby girl, a baby boy, or a brother or a sister, you feel me, or a them or they. Really, really, really trying to be the best version of myself for you guys and for myself, and just to bring beauty, joy, happiness, peace, blessings, education, love, travel, fashion. I'm bringing all of that to this platform, all of it to the table, and I'm just so excited. Wish me luck, because it's only video one, day one. This is just a good little sit down, letting you guys know that your girl is back. Foot on next. I'm applying pressure, period. When I tell y'all, it's gonna be such a good year. It's gonna be such a good year. And that being said, we're gonna leave it here. I want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything. If you haven't already, if you like this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we're on our way to 100K. Period. Did you see how that rhyme? It's going, it's flowing. Yay, it's on the way to 100K. Period. That was so cute. Okay. Let's take some pictures. Okay, love you guys.